love you, I love you. Until I love you, I love you.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Alipearl. So Alipearl went ahead and sent me their 22-inch platinum highlight wig. It is in 180 density and obviously the texture is straight. So this is what the hair is giving right now. Do you see all these highlights? Yes ma'am. I'm loving it. At first I was really skeptical about how it would turn out, but I love it. This is amazing. The hair is gorgeous, it feels nice, it's straightened really well. Like, everything was just perfect about this install. The wig fit my head really nice and snug, so that is something to note, because sometimes units can run too big or too small, but this was actually perfect and it's nice and flat. I'm loving it. I'm loving the seamlessness of this hair. Everything about this hair is just giving vibes right now. So I'm gonna stop rambling. If you'd like to purchase this unit off the rip, the links will be in the description box to do so, of course. But if you'd like to see me install it and talk about it a little bit more in the end of the video, just keep on watching. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Alipearl for sending me this gorgeous wig, and let's jump into the tutorial.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. How the story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Then dip me underway, kill my mouth, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 deep. And rock right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
So I am finally finished and this is the end result. I am so here for this wig, you guys. It's so nice and flat. Everything is flat. The wig fits perfectly on my head. So thank you so much to Alipearl for sending me this platinum highlight wig. It is in 22 inches. Like, surprisingly, 22 inches is like very long on me because I'm super duper short, but it is in 22 inches and 180 density, so there's a bit of fullness to this wig. I love it. Like, straightening it bone straight is so cute, and I mean, it's giving salt and pepper vibes, but I'm liking it. Like, it's not fully platinum and it's not fully black. At first I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna tone it down, but now that I have it on, the wig looks so good right now. Like, I wouldn't change a thing about this hair, okay, period. So I'm just loving, like, you know, the transition from the black, and then everything is just perfect, okay? The highlights just going down, amazing. 10 out of 10. This wig was actually really easy to lay, and the lace was super easy to melt in, so this was absolutely great. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous wig from Alipearl, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And I don't have anything much to say. The hair is really nice and soft. It's straightened really well. It didn't have a weird smell. Like, the wig just did what a wig does. So I'm so here for it. Do you see the luster, the shine? I didn't have to put in any type of serums or anything, and I know with a serum it would look way better. Like, even better. But for now, we rocking it in its natural state, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. So thank you again so much to Alipearl for sending me this gorgeous wig. I really appreciate you guys, and if you guys have any questions as to how I did anything throughout this video, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.
No more damages now.